Hi and welcome to another tour. This time is Suzuki Splash. The Splash went on sale from 2008 all the way to the 2014. In 2012 received facelift. It was jointly developed with Suzuki and Opel. The Opel has its own version of it called the Opel Agila. Now let's take a closer look. Huge headlight. The tires are 14-inch. The exterior mirror are also heated. Distinctive rear taillights. The fuel filler cap is accessed from the front. Here's the key, lock and unlock vehicle. So the door, everything's plastic, but has only this part is cloth, but it's very hard underneath. Also here, hard plastic. Electric front windows, lock the rear windows, and lock and unlock doors. Control for the side mirrors. Speaker. Storage and special place for your bottle. Let's get inside. So here are the seats. It got aftermarket cover, but here's how it looks originally. It matches the blue color that's used throughout the car. Seat height adjust and seat angle adjust. To open the fuel filler cap, it's located here. So let's get inside. So at the top everything is hard, but it's nicely in two colors. Here's some storage area. So some additional storage over here. Also the glove box has enough room. Interesting vents. Open, close. And the lights. Also for the driver mirror. 3-spoke steering wheel with shortcuts for the multimedia. Let's see the media. So here's for CDs, sound options, unmute, automatic traffic search, alternative frequency, radio presets, traffic announcement, CD options, FM and AM, next track or previous track, knob for volume. Down we have climate controls, cold or warm, fan speed, air circulation, AC on and off, and front windshield mist and direction of the wind. Down below we have storage with a power outlet. This is 5-speed manual. There's also an automatic available. And down here we have another place for drink, handbrake. Here's instrument cluster, quite big. The tacho is located over here. So here's the speedometer. At left we have controls for the clock, and over here for trip computer. It has quite good fuel consumption regarding the engine. And on the left, stalk for lights and for washer. Now let's take a look at the back. Here we have headlight position, this one on blanks. So the back, everything is plastic. This part also at the front is some fabric, but here is plastic. Manual windows, speaker, doesn't have storage. Let's take a seat. So we have seat pockets on the right side. Here you can see the original fabric. It's quite hard padded. The car is quite roomy. Got enough room for legs, also for head. The back passengers have also a cup holder. Let's take another look from here. At the roof we have some hook, also on the right side. There can be optionally holder for your sunglasses, not equipped with this one. Interesting how it's this made in the middle of the seat. And for the middle passenger, here's the location of the seat belt. On this model you can split them by 60-40. Here's the location for your seat belt. Move it out of the way. And you can split it like this and gain even more room. Let's put it back in place. Let's open the trunk. So you can fit some shopping bags. The space is around 180 liters. Also got additional storage in here. You got special places for your first aid kit or your wiring triangle. You can place it over here. You can also remove it, and down below is located spare tire. There's a light on the right side. As you can see, you can attach this piece over here and it will hold in place. Also, this parcel shelf can be removed and stored down here. It's enough room for it. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Let's close it and see the engine. Let's open the bonnet. So this is 3-cylinder 1-liter engine with 48 kilowatts and 65 horsepower, 90 newton meters of torque. There's also other Petrol 4-cylinder engine available, 1.2, and Fiat's 1.3 liter diesel engine. It's a really small engine. Now let's hear the sound of it. That will be all. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, you can also click down below subscribe. See you in the next video.